So, good question. First of all, if you apply for any immigration benefit, your immigration history can be questioned again in any interview completely. So if you don't apply, probably they won't touch you. But if you apply and if they think that entering through border and getting the parole afterwards, entering without inspection and getting the parole afterwards, and marrying a US citizen, getting the green card inside the US, yes, those things happened under Biden administration and the initial months of the Trump administration. But currently, I am not sure if they would approve this application right now, because they would argue that you entered without inspection and the parole was given only after that. I have similar clients and I don't have a recent adjudication, but I am kind of not sure if they will approve it. And if they don't approve it, they might also think that you should never you should have never given that green card in the first hand, so they can reopen your green card case and maybe revoke it. So be very careful. Like, it can be very risky at the last step of citizenship. You can also lose the green card. I would definitely suggest scheduling a consultation with an experienced attorney on this, and I would ask whether they have a recent experience about parole cases.
Yes, especially when it comes to naturalization, it's a review of your full immigration history.
Yes, and I had an interesting consultation a few years ago. A person scheduled a consultation with me saying that I applied for naturalization, and I had a green card many years ago, and then I abandoned it. I went to my home country and I applied even for a tourist visa. So if you apply for a tourist visa, you say that I abandoned my green card, right?
Yeah.
But he never surrendered his green card, and at some point he decided to relocate to the US again, and he was able to enter the US with the green card because I think it was still valid. And he spent 5 years here, and then he applied for citizenship. And they realized that you applied for a tourist visa while you were a green card holder. It shows that you abandoned your permanent residency in the past, and we are denying your naturalization application, and we are putting you in removal proceedings. So it was a couple of years ago. I don't know what happened to that guy, but he is probably in removal proceeding, and he told me that he is scared of going back to his home country, and he might have applied for asylum again in removal procedure. So be very careful.